Solving exponential equation, we got level 1 and level 2 type. So the level 1 type, actually you have learned it before and you should have mastered it. So for example, we have a 2x equals to 8. Then you have to change the number into same base. So we have 2x equals to 8 is 2 to the power 3. Then we do not cancel the 2. Please do not say you cancel the 2. We are just comparing the index. Since the base is the same, what is different is so we have to know that the index should be the same. Alright, it's not cancelling the 2. But sometimes life is not as good as you think. Say for example, I got 2x to the power root 2. Then you might have to change the sort. So we have 2x equals to 2, 1 over 2. And therefore x will be equals to 1 over 2. You do not have to write the comparing, and just you have to understand it's not cancelling out. You shouldn't always think that you're cancelling things out. Now, life is not as good. Like, I will not be so nice to you, so I'll give you a mean question here. So I have 4 to the power 2x plus 1 equals to 8 to the power 1 minus x. Usually the question will play with you with 2 or 3 for a non-calculator paper, or maybe 7 to 5 to a calculator paper. But you got to have a strong sense that it looks like something. Looks like try with 2, 3 and onwards. So we have 2 square. I changed the look of 4 to 2 square and changed the 8 to become 2 cubed. By index law, we have 2 to the power 2 times x plus 1 equals to 2 to the power 3x minus, so it's multiplied. Now I compare the index, so we have 2 times 2x plus 1 equals to 3, 1x. So we have 4x plus 2 equals to 3 minus 3x. Throw everything on one side. Shall I? Yeah. This looks weird. Oh, that's right. So 7x equals to 1. X equals to 1 over 7. And there we go. But this is a happy thing. If you see those, you should be happy. It will be something even more torturing, which is the idea of math. So we're going to have to make sure you get used to the torture. There we go. We have a question here. 4x minus 2 to the power x to the power x minus 2 equals to 0. Yeah, this is a torture, but I will not let them to get me. So I will make it become 2x minus 2, because I see all the 2's there, I got a clue. So we have, I swapped the place, so 2x squared minus 2x minus 2 equals to 0. Now, to make me feel better, I will let a equals to 2 to the power x. And then I have a 2 squared minus a minus 2 equals to 0. Yay! I have a times a and equals to a squared. 2 times 1 equals to 2. I need a negative. Bigger number be negative. So minus 2a plus a equals to negative 2. Yay! Yep, it doesn't get me. So we have a minus 2 and a minus 1 equals to 0. So a will be equals to 2, plus 1, or a equals to negative 1. Now the trick here, a equals to, which means that we need to put it back to the unknown there. So 2 to the power x equals to 2, or 2 to the power x equals to negative 1. Alright, since we do not have negative, so this answer should be rejected. And so x equals to 1. And I'm happy.